Bro, we got a lot of hot sauces. I'm about to do a challenge right now. It's probably gonna fuck up my fucking intestines, but I really don't care. I'll make this dumbass do it too, you know? Because I can't be on my own with this shit. I'm about to fucking die. Yeah. But, see what we got here. Messing with a lot of hot sauces. Got the bomb. This one's supposed to be a killer right here, though. This is the bad boy. Mad Dog 357. Ah, bro, don't get Chanel in here. Chico. Real quick. Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna just explain to you guys what we're even doing, because you guys are probably like, damn, what the fuck is this thing doing? Alright, so the challenge is you're gonna do all the 4 sauces. We're gonna start off with Scorpion right here, and then basically it's gonna work your way up to Mad Dog 357. So what we're gonna do is just go one by one. You're gonna get 1 glass, your choice, water or milk. So you get 1 choice, and you can only drink that. So once you're finished with all that, and you can finish that glass during you're eating it, you're good. It's half a glass. You got 5 minutes to drink nothing to beat the challenge. That's the only way to beat it. If you drink nothing. If you drink anything under 5, then you basically lost. Okay, now we had to get McDonald's because we're on a budget and shit. Tony's about to get fucked up. I don't even think he's ready. Alright, let's get shit rolling. We're gonna start off with the first one. Let me see about that.
Was that good enough, bro?
Sheesh. Yeah, pretty good. Damn, boy.
Yeah, this is sauce good, bro. Escorpion!
The whole thing, bro. See the whole thing. It's not that bad, huh? Bearable?
It's alright. It's like tapatio.
Tapatio?
Alright.
That's good. 1 to 10. What do you think?
It's like a solid 6.
6 spicy?
Yeah.
Gotta work your way up. Damn, fucking stingy a little more.
More?
Yeah.
The first one.
You guys said
The next one's gonna be less. The next one you're gonna put like that.
Very good.
That's good.
Okay.
Alright, say the whole thing.
The whole thing?
It's better because you get more chicken, not that much hot sauce.
I don't want to put the whole thing in.
Alright, do your thing.
Oh, weird. I don't
Alright, eat the whole thing, eat the whole thing.
I'm insecure how I eat because God makes fun of me.
Which one are you gonna start with? Start with the young one. Scorpion, you know you gotta get your warmed up. See, this one comes out quick, bro, because it's not that hot.
Right into it, huh?
1 to 10, bro, what do you think? Yeah, alright. Next.
I need a freak bitch that don't give a fuck.
Is that hot?
No.
Ain't shit, huh?
Neck big thing.
Oh, bro, nigga.
Alright, my boy's up next.
Fuck, bro, I really don't want to do this shit. Fucking scorpion pepper, bro.
My boys get the shit. Nah, bro. Okay. Going for the whole thing, huh?
Got the whole thing.
How's that one taste?
That's hot.
Something
That's
light.
bearable, though.
Something light.
This is a good 7. It's pretty hot, though. Alright, so next we got the zombie, so. Ooh, buddy, it's a little lot.
Fuck.
That's
That's it.
Olive bro, just look it.
Oh. That's like some habanero shit, huh?
Yeah, that one has like carrots and stuff, so.
Woo! Oh, nah, dude. That one's kind of spicy.
Yeah, bro, it only gets spicier.
I can already feel myself sweating.
You know you got 1 free glass, so whenever you want to use it.
Oh, fuck, that's for pussies.
For pussies, huh? You're good, you're good.
Oh, that's good.
I still recommend you just eat the whole thing. Just chill, you're chilling. I'm not looking at you eat, don't feel uncomfortable.
Just like millions of viewers are gonna
Maybe
watch
Tony,
it.
maybe Tony's a little staring. Millions of viewers, huh? It's gonna be like fucking 10 views. You know when I post a selfie, they say I'm the bomb.
This was more spicy, I feel.
Oh shit.
Neck big thing.
Oh, bro, nigga. Shawty said I'm the next big thing. She about to suck this big thing.
I need a freak bitch that don't give a fuck.
something light.
Alright.
Some slight. Alright, look, zombie, apocalypse sauce. Something light. Alright.
I need a freak bitch that don't give a fuck.
Stay on the Nick big thing. You wanna get some water and shit?
Alright, come on.
Oh shit. Fuck. Feel hot. It's hot in this room, huh? Want to turn the AC on, buddy?
Come on, bro. Let's see that dab.
Oh fuck. I don't even think I'm making it past shit.
Okay.
Okay, this is that one. It wasn't that hot. I think it was the same level as that one. Fuck, bro. Refrigerate after opening. I don't even know if that fucking helps. Who the fuck eats that, bro, on a regular basis? Alright, go ahead.
La bomba. Some weak shit, but
Fuck, bro, those are hot, so that's good, bro, actually.
nah, I really like Chipotle, bro.
Chipotle? Eat the whole thing?
Nah, bro.
That was like Chipotle, bro. What's up?
Ah, fuck, that shit's hot.
Eat it.
Ooh.
It's not that much, nigga. It's like 2 little tiny drops. Just makes you feel better and shit. But
Nothing?
alright, that's fine. Finish that.
Just let it kick in. Alright, come on.
Oh shit. Are we gonna go with what's this called, bro?
The bomb. Cause I'm the.
Oh shit. Alright.
Hurry, come suck this big next thing.
I need a freak bitch that don't give a fuck.
Nigga, you're hooking it up.
Bitch, look. This is because this is where it gets hot, bro.
Nigga, you put a lot of fucked up.
Look.
Don't even matter, shotty.
Yeah, alright.
Baby.
I need a freak bitch that don't give a fuck.
He's gonna fucking slap me in the back of the fucking neck and then like choke me, but I seen this on the show, bro. They do a little bit because this shit looks deadly. It was good knowing you guys. Like, I think Tony will run the YouTube channel after. Ooh. Feels like I'm fucking sweating. Oh fuck, bitch. Alright, so next we got.
Let's get this over with.
Next we got the
mad dog.
Let's see the baby.
Ah!
Let's see, hold on. Let me see your dab. Bro, let's see.
That's a lot, bro.
Let's see, bring it over here. Fuck, bro.
That's a lot, bro.
Finish it, bro. I just gotta eat it all, bro. How you feeling? How you feeling?
Hey, don't try this at home.
How you feeling?
That shit's fucking spicy, bro. I'm sweating.
Fuck, bro. You got 5 minutes starting now.
Alright, bro, I got this.
You got it? You got one free glass.
Free glass of milk?
Yeah, you got one free.
Alright,
Second one you tap out.
That's definitely better. Probably need another glass, honestly. Every time I exhale, bro, it's just like hot as fuck.
Once you finish that, bro, you're fucked.
Bro, my nose is like running.
One more, bro. You're gonna lose the challenge. You look like a fucking, you do coke and shit.
That's okay.
I'm sorry, bro. I had to tell you this shit. Will the chicken wings prevail? Chicken nuggets are not chicken wings.
Nah, bro, I fucking tap out.
Let me see, bro. Let me see you tap out. Let me see you tap out. Oh, you fucking loser. That's just hot, huh?
It's just fucking hot, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Am I screwed? I'm gonna win.
That's how I did it. Actually, you want to put a little bit down.
And I have to wait, what? How long after?
5 minutes.
5?
After you finish that
Can I
one right
time
now,
myself?
yeah, whip out the timer. You get a free drink. After any drink after that, you lose. Just start it now, fuck it.
No.
I'll go. Ooh, Hey, it was great knowing you, Les. You're my favorite cousin. I don't really have that many cousins. Well, I do have a lot, but I don't know. You know, Mexicans have big ass family cousins and shit.
Big ass cousins.
Not big cousins, nigga, but like a lot.
That's looked at, bro. Hey, you don't want to get the milk ready, bro?
Hey, look at the eyes, bro. Just look at the eyes.
You don't want to get the milk
Just
ready?
getting a little water. I hope you only know you're at 25 seconds.
It's not hot.
Oh, just sit down. I was a little bit crying.
I can't feel my tongue.
On pace.
Oh no. I just want the 5 minutes to be over.
It's almost there.
Yeah, she's at 4.
My throat's closing.
Fucking champion!
Champion! Good shit.
Fuck. Alright, bro. Ready? Read this one for me, bro.
Mad Dog 357. Shit. Nigga, that shit sound like some hot shit.
Nigga, you look at that. So. Damn. You're right. I took some off. Alright, bro. Send this the one, bro, and you're done. This is this one.
I need a moment for this.
Do this shit. On the deadlocks. I ain't putting down nothing. I turned nothing into something, little baby. On the what?
I need a freak bitch that don't give a fuck.
Hot. That's just hot, bro.
How you feel?
Fuck, I'm dying.
Can you do it?
I don't think I can do it.
You don't think so?
I'm literally dying right now, already. Hell no, fuck this shit.
Bro.
Just hot as dick, man. Fucking sucking the devil's dick.
Any words to the bottom?
Fuck that bottle. If it's not hypnotic, I don't want it.
Hypnotic. I hate this. Shout out Iran, bro. This is the one right here, huh? The fuck, nigga, it's hot. Bro, this is, oh my god, nigga.
Damn. You fucked up.
I didn't mean to get that much. What? Is there a napkin? I can take that out? No, just kidding, fuck it. Fuck, I put way too much, bro. I'm gonna pass away. I'll spread it around. Fuck, nigga, that's a lot, nigga. My ears are burning.
Oh. Oh, no, you didn't.
Bro, where's the timer, bro? How long do I gotta drink just one left?
Got 5 minutes, dog.
Fuck, bro. You gotta go to your fucking ears, nigga. Someone's poking my ears right now. That shit hot. $30 seconds only's gone by?
Yeah, dog. Alright, sure you don't want the gallon?
I tap out, bro.
Nah, bro, you heard it here. Nah, bro. I ain't doing this shit again ever.
Nigga.
This for you guys, bro. I'm done. How you feeling, Les?
Numb. Oh, seriously, I can't feel my cheeks.
I got it in my eye.
I feel like pokes everywhere.
Bro, shit burns.
How did you get it in your eye?
It's in my eye. Because I opened it for you.
No, I feel super shaky, super shaky, super shaky. He said, bring me the water.
What you got there, bro?
Some fucking milk.
Another hot sauce victim. How you feeling, bro?
Like
Like
the
Blueface?
devil took a shit in my mouth.
The devil took a shit in your mouth, nigga. Come on. Don't
Nah.
say that. Yeah, alright.
But shout out to my deadlocks. Blueface, baby. Yeah, aight.
I need a freak bitch that don't give a
Quick
fuck.
update on my boy. How you
Fuck
feeling?
you, bitch. This is fucking hot.
How you doing, bro?
I didn't want to talk, bro, because when I talk, I feel like my fucking tongue's being pinched. Oh my god, nigga, my tongue's gonna fall off. There's a fucking skin's peeling or something.
I need a freak bitch that don't give a fuck. Banging the set while I'm beating up her gut. I like fucking, I ain't into no love. It's 2 dicks in my pants for a nigga that's sick. I need a freak bitch that don't give a fuck.